playing, singing. Girl, you know I want your love. Your love was handmade for somebody like me. Come on now, follow my lead. I may be crazy, don't mind me. Say, boy, let's not talk too much. Grab on my waist and put that body on me. Come on now, follow my lead. Come on now, follow my lead. I'm in love with the shape of you. We push and pull like a magnet do. But when my heart is falling too, I'm in love with your body. Last night you were in my room, and now my bedsheets smell like you. Every day discovering something brand new. Well, I'm in love with your body. I'm in love with your body.
Every time I get a call, it's the mirror. I might get different questions.
Every day discovering something brand new. I'm in love with the shape of you. Come on, be my baby, come on. 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 I'm in love with the shape of you. Push and pull like a magnet. But when my heart is falling too, I'm in love with your body. Last night you were in my room, and now my bedsheets smell like you. Every day discovering something brand new. I'm in love with your body. Come on, be my baby. Come on, come on, be I'm in love with your body. Come on, be my baby. Come on, come on, be I'm in love with your body. Come on, be my baby. Come on, be I'm in love with your body. Every day discovering something brand new. I'm in love with the shape of you.
13 times a day, we do 1,000 gas cash on star 1013. Brittany won earlier. What are you going to do with that money? Congratulations.
That's awesome. It feels amazing. We're getting ready to go on vacation, and we can use it.
Oh, perfect. Okay, your next chance to win, 6:25 Monday morning. Let's go into Stranger Things soundtrack. Kate Bush running up that hill.
And make a deal with God, and then get
today from the 2000s to the 90s and
Star 1013.
Not working hard. Yeah, right. Picture that with a Kodak. Or better yet, go to Times Square, take a picture of me with a Kodak. Took my life from negative to positive. I just want you to know that. And tonight, let's enjoy life. Pitbull, Naya, Neo, just right.
Round one. Fight is the age-old question for the 90s. Sega Genesis or Super Nintendo?
back to the 90s on Star 1013.
See
guys, merci.
Just go ahead now, and if you like to tell me, maybe, just go ahead now, and if you wonder about me flowers, just go ahead now, and if you like to talk for hours, just go ahead now, and if you want to call me baby, just go ahead now, and if you like to tell me, maybe, just go ahead now, and if you like to buy me flowers, just go ahead now, and if you like to talk for hours, just go ahead now. If you want to call me maybe, just go ahead now. And if you like to tell me maybe, just go ahead now. If you want to buy me flowers, just go ahead now. And if you like to talk for hours, just go ahead now. Oh, baby, just go ahead now. Just go ahead now.
On Star 1013, there's to win $1,000 in gas cash every weekday.
Oh my god.
Winners just like Jennifer in San Francisco.
Oh my god. That's so exciting.
Jennifer scored her gas cash. You could be next.
Yay! Oh my god, this is so awesome. Like, you don't even understand. Like, I could totally use this money so much.
It's more bang for your tank. And another chance to win is coming up.
With $1,000 gas cash with Star 1013.
Progressive knows that most people don't get to experience making a game-winning touchdown or a walk-off home run. So we're gonna talk to you like you did something great, so you can bask in the glory.
No way. Is it really you? You're the one who bundled their home, auto, RV, and other vehicles with Progressive, right? Hold on, let me grab my friends. Hey guys, check it out. It's the one who saved the money.
If you can't bask in sports glory, at least you can bask in the glory of saving money when you bundle your home and other vehicles with Progressive. Coverage from Progressive Casualty Insurance Company, affiliates, and third-party insurers. Discounts not available in all states or situations.
There's magic in the world.
People will tell you there isn't.
They just want you to get back to work
Be quiet.
and not ask questions.
Those people need 1-800-GOT-JUNK
When you've seen magic,
and felt the magic.
you can no longer deny the magic.
We make junk disappear.
All you have to do is point.
And now we pause for a word from Charlotte, the junk fairy.
A friend is a person who always brings a little magic with them.
Be a friend. Call 1-800-GOT-JUNK.
Or visit 1-800-GOTJUNK.com.
The best things in life are spicy. And now that spicy chicken McNuggets are back at McDonald's, you can really level up. Crispy, golden, mouth-watering, with that same fiery taste you love. When that McNugget hits the sauce, right before it reaches your mouth, basking on its spicy goodness. Then take a bite and reach for your drink. They are not here forever, so get them while you can. Ba-da-ba-ba-ba. I participate in McDonald's for a limited time.
With inflation on the rise, more families have been turning to food banks. Join Grocery Outlet for independence from hunger and give 5, get 5. Donate $5 and get a coupon for $5 to use later. Visit your local grocery outlet to support your community today.
The tobacco industry uses flavors like menthol to hook kids on nicotine. Parents, know this. 1. 4 out of 5 kids who've used tobacco started with a flavored product. 2. Minty menthol makes toxic nicotine seem harmless. 3. Flavors like menthol allow addiction fast. Protect kids from a lifetime of addiction. Go to flavorshookkids.org.
You have trouble sleeping? It's tough. When kids have trouble sleeping,
Mom, I can't sleep. Dad, just one more story?
for nights like this, try Vicks Pure Z's Kids. Our great tasting gummies are specially formulated for kids with a unique blend of botanicals and a low dose of melatonin to support their natural sleep cycle. Best of all, they're drug-free and non-habit forming. Help your child fall asleep naturally with Pure Z's Kids Gummies. Consult with a doctor before use for ages 4 and up.
Wow, a new electric vehicle and solar panels. We've gone green, thanks to Star One Credit Union. Star One? We financed our EV and solar. Star One. It was so easy, and we're saving all over the place. So you bought an EV and a solar system. And you painted your house neon gone green. Too bright? Not if I shade my eyes.
Ready to go green? Check out the great financing options at Star One. Go to star1.org today. Come get the star treatment at Star One.
Across town. Beth lives nearby and has a truck she barely uses. Problem is, they don't know each other. Luckily, Beth is sharing her truck on the Get Around app, so Jay can rent it, while Beth plans a vacay with the money she just earned. Problem solved for Jay, who can even unlock the car from the app. Magic. Get Around, the car-sharing community that lets you share your car or rent one for any occasion. Learn more at getaround.com.
The new Talkback Mike is now live on the free iHeartRadio app.
Hey, it's Corey from The Morning Show. Check this out. You can record and send a message to the hosts on Star, like Marcus, like me. Just open the free iHeartRadio app. You stream Star 1013, and when you see that little red microphone button next to the play button, you gotta press that, then you record a message and hit send. Easy peasy, my friends.
It's Michelle from San Jose. I just wanted to leave you a message and let you guys know how much I love you and how much I love listening to you every day. I love your trivia game. I love Second Date Update. But most of all, I really love hearing about your day-to-day lives. You guys have awesome chemistry, and we appreciate love.
The Talkback Mike, now on the free iHeartRadio app.
Hello, it's me. I was wondering if after all these years you'd like to meet, to go over everything. They say the time's supposed to heal ya, but I ain't done much healing. Hello, can you hear me? I'm in California dreaming of who we used to be when we were younger. And I've forgotten how it felt before the world fell at our feet. There's such a difference between us and a million.